I'm gonna show you how to locate the brackets for your car seats, baby car seats that's located in your Toyota Tundra. As you can see, I'm going into my Tundra. Only thing you need to do is look there to the left and right, raise it up. You see those little hooks? Those are for baby seats. So you could put those hooks on if you don't want to use the seat belt from your vehicle. So the only thing you do is squeeze this little handle and release the hooks. And if these hooks aren't being used, that's also a storage for them. But what you do, you take those hooks and you connect it to those brackets. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Thanks.